Our company name po is Rayway International. Rayway International is a Singaporean-based company which started way back 2008, which is exactly now existing 16 years in the market. Railway is not just multi-awarded marketing platform, but also it has its own research and facility directly affiliated in Auckland, New Zealand, focusing on the development of oral live stem cell therapy. So, according to World Health Organization, we have these top 10 killers na kapag isa sa atin tinamaan nito, pwede tayong magkaroon, hindi pwede, magkakaroon ka pwede ng death sentence without committing any crime. Bakit? Kasi yung top 10 killers po na nakikita niya sa screen niyo ngayon, wala pa po yung solusyon. Tama. Karamihan po dyan, karamihan po dyan, yung pasyente na tinatamaan nito is nawawala na lang sa mundo pero nandun pa rin yung sakit. Tama po. So, kapag ikaw itinamaan niya, death sentence po talaga siya considered as death sentence. So, that is according to World Health Organization report from September 2022. Note po ha, 74% of people died from chronic diseases in 2018, sabi dyan. So, remember po, this is just top 10. We still have top 20. Wala pa po dyan yung COVID na pumatay ng milyong-milyong tao, no? Nung kasagsagan ng COVID pandemic, tama po. So, why do we have, or why humanity keeps on having this kind of death sentence? Yung mga killers, kumbaga, top 10 killers. We have four top factors why we are receiving this kind of killers or top 10 killers. Number one is the aging population. Every day we age, tama. Wala pong kayang magpigil niyan. Kahit ano pong gawin natin, every day we age. And as we age, our health deteriorates. Tama po. Next is wrong diet. Ayan. Yung mga mahilig pong kumain fast food, instant coffee, instant noodles. Kasi fast-paced na po yung mundo natin ngayon eh, tama? So, even mga babae po na, mommies, yan, dati bahay lang. Ngayon, working moms, ang dami na. So, mas pinipili natin yung mabilis na lang, tama? And, ayun, ang dahil dyan sa wrong diet, puro preservatives, minsan, more on coke, more on soft drinks, fast food, ayun. So, those are that is just that is top two sa factors why we are having this kind of killers. And next is inevitable stress. Kahit sino po nai-stress. Yes, tama po kasi narinig nyo. Even baby po nai-stress na. Newborn, the moment they are crying, nai-stress na po sila. And pollution, everywhere we go, there is pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, air pollution, even yung noise pollution ng mga kapitbahay natin. Pollution na po yan, di ba? Nakakapag-cause na rin yan ng stress sa atin. Tama po. So, these are the leading causes of these deadly illnesses and it has reached a bottleneck crisis in today's medical science. Bakit? Kasi dumadami na yung iba't ibang klaseng sakit. But the solution is kulang. Opo, but don't worry because we have this recent medical science breakthrough, the discovery of stem cell. Take note po ha, this is discovery. This is discovery po, not invented. So, ibig sabihin, it existed since yung simulang-simula pa. So, what is stem cell nga po ba ng CJ? Stem cell po is the united form or yung pinagsamang form ng sperm cell ng tatay natin and egg cell ng mother natin. And once naging stem cell na sila, yun yung tinatawag nating mother stem cell. And it will rapidly duplicate. It will soon form into blastocysts, will develop into more than 300 types of stem cells, and then after 9 months of baby, so ibig sabihin pala, from the tip of our hair, hanggang tip ng toes natin, ng nails natin, they're all made out of stem cells. Wow! So in short, stem cell po pala is most basic form of all living things, and it has unlimited possibilities of treatment modalities. Bakit? Bakit siya merong unlimited possibilities? Bakit yung mga synthetic drugs, limited lang? Kasi po, stem cell has tatlo lang ang kayang gawin ng stem cells, pero these three capabilities, sila lang ang may kayang gumawa. Stem cells lang ang kayang gumawa. Number one is repair our old cells. Hindi kaya tayong matulungan mag-repair ng vitamins, yes. Kaya po yan. Kaya po tayong matulungan. Next is replace dead cells. Yan. Hindi po kayang gawin ng vitamins at mga synthetic drugs kasi only cells can replace cells. And next po is regenerate more cells. So, again, cells lang din po ang kayang gumawa ng mag-create ng mas marami pang cells. So, kahit pa tatlo na yung kaya niyang gawin, walang kahit na sinong kayang gumawa nun kundi cells lang din. So, it has miraculous abilities kasi kung gawa pala yung buhok natin, yung utak natin, lahat-lahat ng parte ng katawan natin sa stem cells, ibig sabihin, ito lang pala yung susi for us to receive the benefit of being prepared internally. So we are not just the only one talking about stem cells nowadays. We have this kind of many publications na exist now years back when it was discovered. So we have articles and newspapers, publications from newspapers from all over the world. We also have Time magazine that talks about the benefits of stem cells, cancer and stem cells to treat diabetes, HIV, stem cell of hope. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko po sa lahat, yung nasa upper left side ng screen, yung hope. Kasi katulad po na nasabi ko dyan sa first slide, sa top 10 killers, ang dami na pong sakit pero wala pang masyadong solusyon. But then, our scientist was able to discover that there is hope in stem cells, diba? So it is an unstoppable medical science trend and it has greatest revolution of medicine emerged. So how can we receive the benefit of stem cells nowadays? So these are the methods of receiving stem cells today. So first one is placenta injection in situ life. Ito po yung ginagawa nila Enrile, nila Erap, nila Marcos, Imelda Marcos. This is expensive kasi kada session po niyan is for 1.6 million here in the Philippines po. If you're going to check with St. Luke, and hindi ko lang po alam ngayon kung mas mahal pa siya. And time consuming kasi you have to fly over there sa Switzerland. Tama po, and yung stem cell therapy procedure pa lang itself, sobrang mahal na. What more yung plane ticket and yung accommodation mo dyan. Kasi hindi yan isang turok lang, it is a therapy. So, depende yan sa condition ng katawan mo, kung gaano kadaming session ang gagawin or kung gaano katagal kang mag-i-stay. Next is stem cell transplant. Expensive din po yan. And painful kasi ang stem cell transplant, for example, is okay yung right eye ko and yung left eye ko damaged. So, ang gagawin ng doctor, they will extract stem cells here, eye cell here on my right eye, and then ililipat nila sa left eye para mag-regenerate siya and ma-repair niya yung left eye kong damage. But this procedure cannot be done with anesthesia kasi anesthesia can kill live cells. Ganun po ka-fragile ang live cells. Ang size po kasi ng live cells natin or yung stem cells natin is just the tip of our hair. So, hindi siya pwedeng ma-expose sa chemicals. So, imagine how painful it is. Right? Kung papasukan ng karayom yung mata mo, hindi siya tolerable for me. Next is cord blood banking. Para po sa mga mami, ito ko lang po nalaman na meron po palang ganito. Cord blood banking is yung umbilical cord, yung dugo po nun. Yung dugo po ng umbilical cord ng baby, it is very rich with stem cells. And alam niyo po kung sino ang gumagawa ng cord blood banking na to? Isa sa mga kilala, isipulin yun na yung kay Tali, yung panganay po nila ni Vic Soto. So, ito po, pagbabank po ng cord blood will cost you hundreds of thousands annually. And meron lang din po siyang limit kasi hanggang 20 years lang po siya valid. Kapag si baby po ay nagkasakit or si mom, remember po mom and baby lang po ang pwede dito, hindi po pwede si daddy. Kapag may isa po sa kanila nagkasakit, let's say baby, 21 years old na siya nagkasakit, hindi na po pwedeng gamitin si cord blood banking kasi expired na po siya. So, sayang. And next po is placenta injection. That is available in beauty salon. Naku, marami pong mura dyan. The problem there is, hindi po professional ang gumagawa niyan. Marami po kayong makilalang ganyan, mga nurses na nag-i-inject. But when I was able to ask someone na nagaganyan, tinanong ko saan galing yung stem cells nila. Pero ang sagot po sa akin ng nurse na nag-i-inject, hindi niya daw po alam. So, nakakatakot kasi mamaya you are expecting na dapat live cells po o live stem cells po yung laman pero hindi po pala. So, paano kung dugo lang pala na kung saan yun? Or hindi po safe pala i-inject sa katawan natin. So, very dangerous. And it has safety concerns. When we talk about placenta injection, it should be done by professional. And next po is healthy lifestyle. So, si Jay, paano tayo nakakakuha ng stem cells sa healthy lifestyle? Remember po, our body, ngayon, lahat tayo po na nandito sa Zoom natin, our body right now is capable of creating or regenerating more stem cells. However, due to the four factors kanina na nasabi ko po sa inyo, nahihirapan po yung katawan natin mag-create ng mas marami pang stem cells. Eh, habang nahihirapan siya, yung potency po, hindi na rin po ganun kaganda. Dahil na rin po sa four factors na na-share ko kanina. Pero for you to have effective or very potent stem cells, you need to have a healthy lifestyle. Like, kailangan nakakainom ka ng 8 glasses of water every day, 8 hours of sleep every day. You do at least 30 minutes of exercise every day. And most especially, hindi ka nag-stress. So since it's ineffective and it needs persistence, at most of us nowadays po, medyo imposible na siyang magawa. Kasi grabe po yung stress ngayon po, lalo na pag bagyo, no? Iba po yung mga due dates natin, yung mga matataas ang presyo, iba yung dating sa stress sa atin. So, medyo ano po siya, medyo impossible. Next is our adult stem cells banking. When we talk about live cells, the younger the better. Example, 27 years old po ako ngayon and I just decided to bank my stem cells. Tapos, hindi na po siya, dumating man po yung kakailanganin ko kasi I got sick. Hindi na po ganun ka-effective kasi I've been using and abusing my body for the past 7 years. Lalo na sa stress. Kasi po, no, nasa work pa ako is exposed po ako sa mga vices. Tapos, ala, grabe. So, hindi na po ganun ka-effective. And kapag chinek ko po yung stem cells ko sa sa pinacheck ko sa doktor, sa hospital, malalaman nila na yung age ng stem cell ko biologically is twice or thrice na din sa age ko. So, dahil din sa mga vices, sa stress, ganun. So, hindi na po siya ganun ka-effective. And it will be too late. Sayang lang din po ang pagbaba kasi hindi na siya ganun ka-potent. So, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? Yes, there is. Ito po yung sinashare namin sa maraming po right now. And that is the oral capsule modern technology. Modern oral capsule, ibig sabihin po, hindi ito yung usual na capsule na nakikilala natin, yung usual capsule na nakikita natin sa Mercury drugs, o yung usual na meron sa bahay. Bakit? Kasi ito po yung technologies na ginamit behind oral live stem cell therapy kasi marami po nagsasabi, are you sure? Kasi ang stem cells po is very fragile, katulad na nasabi ko kanina. At kapag na-expose po yan sa labas, and extract mo yan, ilang segundo lang, in less than 2 minutes, namamatay ka agad siya. So, these are the technology behind the possible na po pala yung live cells yung nakapit. So, let me start with supercritical extraction. Supercritical extraction, the best example of it is gata. Sa mga nakakita na po ng magtitigan ng gata. So, ang na-extract po natin doon is just 20% of its biological activity. However, with this supercritical extraction, we can be able to maximize it up to 99%. So, imagine, napapapuro po yung extraction ng live cells natin dito. Take note ha, hindi lang po live cells ang laman ng therapy natin. Later on, I will show you the rest of the ingredients. Next is freeze-time technology. So, it will preserve and maintain bioactive our live cells for 3 to 4 years. It's like a special freezer para hindi po siya mabubulok. Next is nitrogen tow technology. Tinanggal po yung oxygen and pinalitan ng nitrogen. Bakit? Kasi oxygen po carries bacteria. So, para po itong best example dito is yung apple na kapag hinati mo sa gitna at iniwan mo sa lamesa in just a matter of less than 5 minutes, nagba-brown yung apple. Tama po. Kasi na-expose na siya sa oxidation. And oxygen always comes with bacteria. So, tinanggal po siya para hindi mabulok yung light cells natin sa loob. Next is enteric-coated technology. This is my favorite technology. Meron palang ganito. So, meron po kaming mga doctors na ang main concern nila is, ang laging sinasabi kapag nakakarinig sila ng ganitong klaseng OPT, is sinasabi nila, are you sure? Kasi we're talking about live cells, hindi sa stomach pa lang. Patay na kagad yan dahil ang tapang ng stomach acid natin. This is the answer. Kasi ang caplet po natin is enteric-coated. So, ibig sabihin, design po na ma-bypass lang ang stomach acid natin. And it is designed to be absorbed or to pop or dissolve in our small intestine where absorption happens. Amazing, right? Next is emulsification technology. So, ito, kumbaga, ang cells natin, ang live cells is just, ang size nun is just the tip of our hair. Imagine, pinaliit pa siya lalo. Bakit siya kailangan paliitin? And other ingredients of the therapy. Bakit? For the smallest veins na located po sa eyes, sa ears, and sa brains natin to be penetrated by the therapy. Kasi mapapansin niyo po yung mga taong may problema sa brain, especially brain, naku, stroke, Alzheimer's, ang dami pong ano, ang dami pong iba't ibang klaseng may kinalaman sa brain, autism, na hindi ko naa-address ilang taon na, dekada na lumilipas, gano'n at gano'n pa rin. Ano po? But then but with this technology, nare-reach na po yung capillaries, yung mga maliliit na ugat sa katawan natin. Next bias of the technology. Ito yung tinatawag naming booster. Kapag pumasok na po, na-absorb na po ng, ng sistema ng katawan natin, bias of the technology will take place. Siya ang magbo-boost para mas mabilis nating ma-absorb to go where it is needed, not just the live cells, but all other ingredients. Imagine, parang everything is jam-packed na yung technology na to. So let me show you the ingredients in the next slide. So let me show you kung saan galing ang live cells namin. So, bakit po Ma'am CJ, bakit po sa deer, hindi po sa tao? Kasi po, ang tao po kasi, we have this what we call hereditary illness like HIV, diabetes, di ba po, it runs in the blood. We also have cancer na nag-run in the blood na po talaga. Kaya hindi po tayo pwedeng kumuha sa tao. We have three animals po na very compatible to human, which is sheep. Yan po yung sa Switzerland. Diyan po kinukuha yung kay Era and Fonzie Enrique. We also have horse and deer. So bakit hindi dun sa unang dalawa ng CJ? Kasi they are exposed to foot and mouth diseases. Why the deer? They are very picky eater. They do not have gallbladder po kasi. Kaya ang ginagawa po ng gallbladder, it filters the toxins. So kapag aksidente po silang nakakakain ng hindi healthy or ng toxins, they immediately die. But before that happen, nalalaman po kagad ng deer, they will commit suicide. So as long as you can see a deer walking, running, they are healthy. So, dahil po dyan, alam niyo po, sa Chinese medicine, deer is considered as the divine beast. Bakit? Kasi from its day, lahat ng parte ng katawan ng deer na nakita niyo sa skin unit has medicinal value. And yung sa atin po, sa therapy natin, we get our live cells from placenta, dun sa baba ng deer. Take note po, wala po tayong pinapatay na deer pa. We're just waiting for them to give birth. And kukunin natin yung inunan. And then yung live cells na nanggagaling sa male deer, which is dun sa sungay. We're just cutting yung dulo ng sungay. So let me show you the next slide. So the these are the clinically proven patented ingredients. So pag sinabi po natin clinically proven, ibig sabihin pinag-aralan po talaga to sa research and feasibility natin sa Auckland, New Zealand. Patented ingredients, ibig sabihin, only Freeway International has the right to use these ingredients. Kasi si Riway lang din po ang nakakaalam ng formulation nito. Si Riway din po ang nag-develop din kasi nito. So first one is a resulta. Ito po yung live cells na Curious 100 is to 1 year placenta from New Zealand by using supercritical extraction keeps 99% of multipotent stem cells viable, clinically proven to lower or prevent chronic diseases. So, next po is Velbecenta. Ito naman po yung live cells na kinuha sa tip ng sungay ng lalaki. So, we're just cutting 2 to 3 slices dun sa tip kasi dun pala located ang pinakamadaming stem cells sa buong katawan ng male deer. Alam niyo po ba na sinubukan na pong pagsamahin yung live cells from female deer at saka itong Verbicenta sa laboratories na kaya po palang mag-form ng baby deer. Imagine? So, so, kung malaman ko po yung wow, pwede na pala yun. Possible na pala siya. And then, next is N-ginseng. N-ginseng po, kung familiar kayo kay ginseng, N-ginseng is 150 times more effective compared to normal ginseng kasi this is being planted in the volcanic soil of New Zealand. So yung usual po na maturity ng normal ginseng is 6 years, pero this one po is being harvested after 10 years pa. And it has more than 20% ginsenoside. Ayun po yung benefit na nakukuha natin sa ginseng. And clinically proven na 70% can be absorbed in 2 hours. Imagine how powerful it is. And it can help us prevent tumor, inflammation, and many other benefits. Pag usual or aware po kayo sa benefit ng ginseng, imagine 150 times more powerful than the usual. And Axertone po is a Amberlingi or kumbaga mushroom in short. This is the rarest mushroom type of mushroom na pwede natin makita. Alam niyo kung gaano to ka-rare? 100,000 is to 1 lang naman siya. Ganun siya ka-rare. Na alam niyo po ba, sobrang powerful nito. Alam niyo po yung triterpenoids and polysaccharides, yun po yung mga benefits na pwede natin makuha dito. Alam niyo po kung anong power nun? They are very powerful with anti-inflammation. Na kapag sinearch niyo po yan, ang dami niyo po makikita, nakalist down po doon lahat ng benefits na makikita mo dito. Alam niyo po ba, sa Chinese, pinangre-regalo yan sa kasal. Ganun ka-powerful and it's very expensive. And ayun po, it is very powerful as antibacterial, to prevent cardiovascular disease, anti-hypertensive, and many more benefits. Next is Nucleic Label. Ito, isa din sa pinaka-favorite ko. Alam mo po ba, itong Nucleic Label, ito po yung tinatawag naming leader ng therapy. Kasi yung live cells po, they know where to go na. Kasi they are very smart sila. But all other ingredients, hindi po nila alam po niya may problem tayo sa heart. So, hindi alam ng other ingredients kung saan sila dediretso. Kasi hindi naman sila usual sa katawan natin. But with this Nucleic Label, it has this skill, a targeting approach skill. Alam niyo po ba it has close to 10 million research trial. Ganun kami tituloso si Riwe na almost 10 million research trial yung ginawa dito para lang ma-perfect siya. And hindi lang targeting approach ang kaya niyang gawin. It is very powerful when it comes to anti-inflammation. It helps us to kill cancer cells and lower cancer genes. So imagine, hindi ko po maisa-isa sa inyo lahat ng benefits nila. Sinashare ko lang po yung top benefits na meron ng mga ingredients natin. If you would like to screenshot all the ingredients as the person who invited you and research nyo po isa-isa na po. Sobrang sulit po. Patented ingredients pa lang ang pinag-uusapan natin. If, why do we need health supplements na ba? Bakit kailangan tayo mag-supplement? Kakaisipin po ba kayo? Bakit nga po ba? Kasi according to elementary base natin, sabi doon, our body needs grow, glow, and go foods. Tama po? However, tayong mga Pilipino, konti na lang magkakapakpak na tayo ng manok eh. Kasi lagi na lang ang ulam natin, chicken, tinang ng manok, adobong manok, piniritong manok. Tama po. But are we able to provide our body needs every single day? No. Kaya po tayo nagsusupplements to help us supply all other needs ng katawan natin for prevention, recovery, detoxification, yung regulating the three I's, yung high blood sugar natin, cholesterol, and the other one, high blood, high sugar, cholesterol. Tama ba? Ano ulit ko ba? Anyway, and meron pa, um, acid, what's the other, GERD, yung sa GERD. Yun. So, hindi ko nakalimutan ko na, sobrang kaba. Anyway, to protect our body from deadly illnesses, repair ourselves, our body, and most especially, sa live cells lang po natin ito makukuha, ang regenerations ng cells, kawan natin. So in short, alam niyo po ba, ang good news dito, these are all the standard of our therapy, one product to fulfill all our health supplement needs. So next is, let me show you the unique and integrated formulation of our therapy. So dun po sa limang nasa taas, sa left side, yan po yung kanina patented ingredients natin. Next is brown seaweed. We call it Bokoidan. Bokoidan is introduced by Japan Cancer Society. Ano po kaya niyang gawin? Pansin na po si Japan, wala pong masyadong namamatay sa cancers nila. Right? That is because of Bokoidan. Kasi it is what we call the natural chemotherapy. Hindi nagkaiba po ni Bokoidan sa chemotherapy. Si chemotherapy po kasi, once na pumasok yan sa katawan natin, hindi kayang i-distinguish ng chemotherapy sino doon si cancer cell at sino doon si good cell. Kaya po napapansin niyo po, aware po kayo sa mga nagki-chemotherapy. Karamihan sa kanila, hindi lang karamihan kapag nakakadami na silang session, nalalagas yung hair, yung teeth, nanghihina sila kasi namamatay din po, natatarget din nila yung good cells. While, Bokoidan on the other hand, it knows who are the cancer cells inside the body, and within 24 hours, it can kill cancer cells once na pumasok na sila sa sistema natin. So, hindi po nadadamage si good cells sa katawan natin. Next is apple extract. We call it apple polyphenol. Sabi nga po, di ba, an apple a day keeps the doctors away. How about you taking 100 apple in just 1 day? Possible po ba? Yes, possible na po yun because of the technologies nowadays na existing na. And tomato extract, lycopene. good for the eyes. We also have marine collagen, evening primrose. Yan, hindi ko na po masyado kasi usual na po yan sa atin, naririnig na po natin yan. Review nyo na lang po sila by searching them sa Google kung ano pa yung mga benefits nila. Squalene, ito, hindi po ito masyadong usual, hindi siya masyadong common. Squalene is being extracted from the shark's liver, and it is very good in providing oxygen in our cells. So kaya from first edition hanggang ngayon po na seventh edition na ang ating product per year, nandyan pa rin si Squalene kasi it plays the vital role sa therapy din. Next is avocado oil, borage oil, aloe vera. So, ang dami pong benefits ng mga yan. Kahit pa i-zoom nyo po yung screen nyo right now, hindi pa po dyan natatapos ang benefits na we can get from these ingredients. So everything, supplement, prevention, recovery, lowering the tree high, detoxification, protective care, and renewing our body. The only way to achieve all renal health supplement is reversing the aging process. So what's the difference between reverse and anti-aging? Anti-aging po is pinapabagal niya lang yung pagtanda physically ng katawan natin. While reversing the aging process, kumbaga kung ako ay 27 years old, when I take this product, when I take for year, unti-unti, nagiging 26 yung itsura ko, 25, 24, 5 to 10 years younger po ang kaya na itong i-provide sa atin, given na we are not facing serious health issue. So, dito po kasi, the more you get healthier inside, it will manifest outside. So, ang gagawin po ng therapy, tutulungan mo na tayo maging healthy inside. Okay? And then makikita na lang po yun, mag-glow na lang po tayo. Iba na po yung glow natin while along the way on the therapy. So, let me show you the leading causes of the death worldwide. So again, ito pong leading causes na to, report na to, hindi po to galing sa amin, hindi po to galing sa company, hindi po galing kay Review International. It is from IHME Global Burden of Disease noong 2019. So sabi ko dyan, number one pa rin si cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases, it is about heart problem. Mapapansin niyo po, dati ang problema lang is liver. Pero dahil sa maintenance, nagkakaroon ng malapot ng dugo, nalapot ng dugo, na nahihirapan si heart mag-pump, hanggang si heart na yun, may problema ngayon. Lahat po kasi ng synthetic drugs has its own side effects. So, the more na mura si gamot, si synthetic drugs, the more na mas marami yung side effects niya. So, we have cancer, respiratory diseases. Naniniwala po ba kayo na lahat itong mga to ay kayang tulungan ng therapy natin? Please type 1 kung naniniwala. Sige, para tayo na sa dulo. Last slide na po. Magkaroon tayo ng konting communication po sa dulo. Yan, naniniwala po ba kayo? No, sabi ni Ma'am Raven. Yan. May hahabol pa po ba ng sagot? We also have digestive system diseases there, lower respiratory diseases. Alam niyo yung sagot Yes, hindi po lahat kayang tulungan ng therapy natin kasi meron po diyang suicide, may pagkalunod, may murder, may alcohol abuse, drug abuse, fire disaster, yung mga natural disaster at mga hindi na po usual, natural sa katawan natin. Ayan po ay hindi talaga kayang tulungan ng product natin. But the rest of it, we can guarantee you na you can definitely get help from our therapy. And I'm so excited for you to hear the two sharers for tonight because they experienced, they had an amazing story of recovery. That will be the end of my slide. I hope po na you were able to get the information you needed for tonight. And this blessing po will not be a blessing unless you share it. Sometimes po yung blessing hindi pera, minsan information lang. Madalas information lang. Thank you so much everyone for listening and sana po tapusin niyo yung event, yung Zoom natin. Kasi nasa bahay lang naman po tayo. Sulitin natin to kasi you will learn a lot. Thank you so much po and have a wonderful night. God bless.